in this video, I will show you how to hide store in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here under our online store. Now from in here, click on this preferences. And then once you have done that, scroll down until you can see this option right here. So make sure that you restrict access for visitors with the password, and you can change the password right here. Make sure that this one is clicked. Now, once you have done that, head over in here to your online store, and you can see this. So head over and click on this customize. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open in here your Shopify editor. Now, you can see right now that our actual theme is live. So what we can do is we can head back. And then in here, click on this three dots. And in here, you can head over and add new themes. So let's click on this add theme, visit the theme store, and add new themes for your particular store. Now let's just wait for this. Alternatively, once you have added a theme, you can actually unpublish this particular plan right here or particular theme, and it will be unpublished. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.